खूबसूरती में कितनी चमक है, जरा अपनी त्वचा और अपनी नाखूनों की तरफ देख लीजिए। आपकी स्किन और आपके नेल्स नेचुरली खूबसूरत हो या ना भी, दोनों ही हालत में इट नीड्स योर सीरियस अटेंशन। किसी चीज को चमकाने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? पॉलिश। तो आज की हमारी ब्यूटी एक्सपर्ट हमें सिखाएंगी हाउ टू पॉलिश योर स्किन एट होम। सो कम ऑन गाइस, लेट्स गो एंड मीट अंबिका पिल्लाई, इंडियाज फॉरमोस्ट ब्यूटी एक्सपर्ट।
हाय, मैं हूँ अंबिका पिल्ले। मैं इस फैशन, हेयर, ब्यूटी, स्किन इंडस्ट्री में 29 years से काम कर रही हूँ। So having worked in this industry, Sara stars, you know, big stars in Bollywood, all of them started as models. So models, superstars and supermodels. I have done everybody's makeup and hair. I have worked with Aishwarya Rai, Sushmita Sen, Deepika Padukone, Katrina Kaif, Sonam Kapoor, everybody from the beginning to the end. And they've all sat on my chair first before they became these superstars. They became supermodels and then superstars. But I do run salons. I have got lots and lots of clients. And sabka problem sun ke, you know, itna saal mein I have got such a lot of knowledge inside me that I want to share with you. So aap bhi mera sara knowledge ka fayda utha sakta hai. Watch me only on Tata Sky Beauty.
नाउ आज का टॉपिक आई थिंक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है।
इंटरेस्टिंग है क्योंकि हमको पार्लर जाके बहुत महंगा पड़ता है एंड ज़्यादा पैसा देना है, एंड यू कैन डू द सेम थिंग एट होम फॉर 5 rupees।
तो चलिए ये मिस्ट्री, अब हम इस मिस्ट्री को खोलते हैं। हम बात कर रहे हैं पॉलिशिंग योर स्किन की।
Polishing your skin and not only the face. This can happen anywhere you want, you know. Some people have ingrown on their hands, on their legs. सब कुछ we can do this with this one method. सारा जगह पे जा सकता है, you know. But today I'm going to show you how to polish your face. Some people have pimples and blackheads and acne and वो सब आके जाने के बाद वो काला काला मार्क्स है and वो सब कैसे हट जाएगा वो तो हम आज सीखेगा।
My God, I can't wait to learn this. तो चलिए let's start.
Now I'll show you something. You are going to be shocked.
ये क्या है अंबिका? I can see क्या है, लेकिन इस क्लास में इसका साथ क्या होने वाला है? I want to know.
I mean, this is a tongue cleaner, right? And this हम हर दिन सुबह उठ के ब्रश करता है, टंग क्लीन करता है इसके साथ। तो एक दिन मैंने सोचा ये हमारा स्किन को भी क्लीन कर सकता, you know. And this I have told so many people. And each one, I think there's 100%, everybody came back and said, ma'am, it worked wonderfully.
But first reaction was shock.
First reaction, everybody was shocked. Ma'am, tongue cleaner, face polish, how do you do it? So this, you know, first thing, सुबह उठ के face साफ करो, इसके बाद start cleaning your face, okay? You can do from your nose, forehead, side of the forehead, full, chin के पास पूरा। हमको हाथ में करना है तो बहुत मुश्किल है, but पकड़ के कर सकता। Legs में करना है तो you can do it on your legs. There are a lot of people with ingrowns on their hair, ingrown hair on their thighs, on their legs, on their hands, everything. This can work wonders. And ये use करने के बाद rinse your face out and the magical vitamin C serum. This goes on, you just splash it on and पहले splash करने, I mean you take a little bit and you put it on your skin and it starts tingling a little bit. So this is going to save your life. Yeah? But this is going to polish your skin.
कैसे? अब चलिए ये देखते हैं।
So come on, please. Okay.
Ready?
Okay, also नाक वाला यहाँ मत यूज करो प्लीज। For your tongue एक रंग, ये सब दूसरा रंग में आता है। So for your hand एक रंग and for your face दूसरा
वाला.
All right. So you, sweetheart, what you have to do is you have to just take it and stuff all over and give enough pressure. दर्द नहीं होना चाहिए. Your face might turn red, a little pink, but that's fine. Don't worry. And all your, you know, on your chin, your jawline, तो छोटा pimples है, कोई problem नहीं. इसके ऊपर आराम से जाओ, but जाओ इसके ऊपर. Yeah?
Let's see now. So एक जगह पर कितनी बारी?
Pull it down. Yeah.
This?
Yes. Don't take it up. You're just doing it one way, like how you clean it. Yeah, look, and it's turning a little pink and red. That's fine. You can go from your nose also the other way. Turn this the other way. It goes in.
अच्छा, inside.
So all the surface, छोटा whiteheads, blackheads, सब कुछ जाएगा.
कितनी बारी करना है एक जगह पर in one place?
No, you just do it. You'll get the hang of it. I mean, don't एक ही जगह पे ऐसा नहीं. दो तीन बार and that's it. That's great. Yeah, because nose के यहाँ तो you get a lot of little blackheads, surface blackheads. You're full.
I think एक बहुत obvious चीज़ तो दिख रही है कि blood circulation को stimulate करता
Yes,
है.
and also it's just taking off the like हमारा tongue के ऊपर just a surface gun को निकल रहा है ना.
हाँ.
When we go to sleep, all our toxic waste, the tongue pulls it out. So that is why there's a layer of muck on your tongue, and you get up in the morning and you clean it out with this. So we are taking out the surface guns from your face.
अब इसको कितना बार आप कर सकते हैं, मतलब हफ्ते में कितनी बारी?
नहीं, हर दिन सुबह आपको आपके फेस में प्रॉब्लम है तो हर दिन सुबह एकदम साफ होने तक.
और जब आपका फेस एकदम साफ हो जाए तो एज अ प्रिवेंटिव करना है कि ज़रूरत?
Whenever you want, you know.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
सो यानी इवन अगर आपकी स्किन क्लियर है clean it with the tissue.
Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah.
You saw that?
Yeah.
That is that is what normally you think your face is nice and clean, but that is what happens. Yeah. So now what I want to be, I want you to go and just wash your face out and come right back. All right. So let's talk about why this happens. I mean, why does something so amazing? Because we have natural oil glands, oil flow.
हाँ, so let me, I'll start with that question. ठीक है, अगर आपके स्किन पे कुछ दाने हैं, so this is very helpful. लेकिन अगर आपका स्किन क्लियर हो जाए या क्लियर ही है, तो तब भी क्या इसे करने की ज़रूरत है? कुछ फ़ायदा है?
You know, the thing is, हमारा everywhere in our body there are oil glands. Oil glands are all over. हमारे सिर के ऊपर हम, you know, ऊपर से नीचे तक. And the body is always secreting natural oils. And both natural oils, if your skin is very oily, is when you get acne and pimples. But otherwise, your face feels good. But sometimes your face feels very dry as well. Yeah, there are different kinds of skin types. But when the oil comes out, if there is dirt, it will catch on. And then people have to wash it and clean it and everything else. So even if your face is very clean, very you know, beautiful, without any marks and everything, this is just do it because it polishes, it exfoliates all the dead skin, all everything, the surface वाला चीज़ सब कुछ निकल जाता है.
यानी डेली रूटीन में जैसे आप अपना टीथ ब्रश करते हैं, अपना टंग क्लीन करते हैं, एक एक्स्ट्रा टंग क्लीनर रखिए जो आपका स्किन क्लीनर बन जाएगा अब, और वो डेली अपना स्किन भी क्लीन कीजिए.
Absolutely, it exfoliates. It takes off all the dead skin also. Okay?
Fantastic.
So especially people with dry skin and their face gets very, very dry. If you do this, it takes off all the surface dry skin.
Okay, so now I think step 2 हो गया है स्किन क्लियर करने के बाद.
Yay,
Surbi is back.
Surbi, now I want you to take this. This is your vitamin C serum. Show me your hand. Now, कितना drops use करना है? 5 या 10 ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, okay? ये इसके अंदर क्या क्या गया? That is important. So take it and pat it onto your face. Yeah, just pat. Can you feel a little tingling happening?
Yeah.
Yeah. So because we have just polished our skin out with a tongue cleaner, it is going to tingle a bit, but that's fine. And when you are putting it under your eyes, you use your ring finger like that, okay? Because you get the most delicate touch with that. Maybe just do only under your eyes.
The finger.
Your ring finger, both your ring fingers. Yeah, that's right. That's lovely. And 3-4 दिन के बाद आपका face, it'll start showing the results in 3 days. Try it.
My God, this is absolutely amazing. I think all girls will love this.
Yes.
Because कभी ना कभी कुछ ना कुछ छोटे-छोटे
No,
bothersome दाने.
But ज़्यादा, it is not expensive.
Yeah,
ये कितने का है? ये कितने का है? 5 रुपए का.
And I think यही skin polishing, if you go to a salon, that can go into thousands of
Yeah,
rupees.
it can go into thousands. I know, I run salons. Yes, but these are remedies for you to do at home. All right. So now your skin is beautifully polished. You want polish at one more place?
Yes.
Shall I show you?
Yes.
Okay. This is it's a glass nail file. Okay. It's nothing drastic.
ये एक simple glass nail filer है, glass का बना हुआ है. Look at that shine.
No, now look at it. So that आपका face is already shining. Now you want your nails to shine. And it's not very expensive. It should be about what, 600.
पर ये एक बहुत अच्छा इन्वेस्टमेंट है आपके nails के
I
लिए.
think सबके सारा लड़कियों के बैग में एक होना चाहिए. You know?
I think the best part is कि बिना nail polish लगाए आपके nails को एक बहुत ही
I tell
खूबसूरत.
you what, sweetheart, you know who should be using it? The men. Because वो लोग nail polish नहीं
लगा.
ना. No
So-
nail polish, no nothing, and your nails are shining.
तो पूरी फैमिली के लिए इन्वेस्टमेंट है बेसिकली ग्लास नेल फाइलर.
But how lovely is it?
आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ $1 million टिप, क्योंकि अंडर 2 minutes में आपने अपना फेस पॉलिश कर लिया, फिर आपने अपना नेल्स
Nail
पॉलिश
polish
कर
किया
लिया.
था, बिना using nail polish.
Yeah, and you're shining and glowing and you're ready to conquer the world. इससे अच्छा और क्या?
It's shine all the way. Today it's shine all the way. Yeah.
I love it, and I think the girls who are watching this, उनके लिए एक blessing in disguise है. Sometimes they feel too lazy कि आज nail paint नहीं लगाना है, you know, and you just want to feel just free. तो अपना glass nail filer निकालिए.
Absolutely, and also toes पे भी ठीक है.
हाँ. Yeah.
हमारा toes पे भी polish कर सकता है without using any nail polish, and it just sparkles like diamonds. It's beautiful.
Fantastic. Ambika, thank you so much for sharing these wonderful, wonderful tips with these amazing, simple, humble,
yes, simple
humble
and
चीजें.
humble. That's so sweet. Simple and humble, both of them.
अगर कोई आपसे ये कहे कि आपकी किचन में ऐसी 2 चीज़ें हैं जिनमें आपकी सेहत और आपकी खूबसूरती के सारे राज छिपे हुए हैं, तो ये सच है, मजाक नहीं. तो आज आपके किचन में वो जो एप्पल साइडर विनेगर और वर्जिन कोकोनट ऑयल है ना, उसे निकाल लीजिए और तैयार हो जाइए $1 million ब्यूटी एंड लाइफस्टाइल टिप्स के लिए. रेडी? सो अंबिका, आप हमारे साथ शेयर करने वाली हैं इम्पॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द एप्पल साइडर विनेगर.
Two things.
Two
One
things.
is the apple cider vinegar, and the other is virgin coconut oil. And both of them are great ingredients for your hair, skin, health overall. I mean, it's not just बाल में डालेगा तो ठीक है, मुंह में डालेगा तो ठीक है. No, even when you take it internally, it is fabulous. Yeah.
वंडरफुल. तो हम किसके साथ स्टार्ट करेंगे?
Let's start with the apple cider vinegar.
ठीक
All
है.
right. So the apple cider vinegar, you can actually use it. Let's talk about the hair first. When you use it on your hair, you use it in like a no poo wash. All right. You know what a no poo wash is?
क्या है नो पू? अच्छा.
The no poo wash is a no shampoo wash.
ठीक
I mean,
है.
अभी तो लोग, you know, a lot of people are saying, no, ma'am, I work out every day, I do this, I do that, and I sweat a lot. How can I wash my hair every day? No, you don't need to wash your hair every day. You can do a apple cider vinegar rinse. All right. So you take 1 cup of apple cider vinegar and 3 or 4 cups of water. Mix it together in a mug and pour it over your head. After your workout, when you're sweating a lot, when there's lots of buildup, it will completely cleanse out your hair.
Fantastic.
All right? And then you rinse it out and that is it. So you don't use any other ingredient, you don't use any other product to clean your hair. There's another thing that is very, very exciting, which you can do, which will last for a long time. You can get yourself a good no fragrance, whoa, okay, a no fragrance
Wipes, tissue wipes.
Yes, tissue wipes. And take this, take half a cup of apple cider vinegar
ठीक है.
and pour it into your wipe.
Interesting.
Yeah. Okay, a little falls out, that's fine.
इससे क्या होगा अंबिका?
You can take this and you can put it in your fridge. So this you can use it under your arms, you can clean your shoes with it. If you have a very strong smell, kids' shoes with it, everything. There are some boys who break out at the back of their neck with terrible acne and with dandruff and everything else. You can take it and just wipe your neck out nice and proper. You have dandruff on your hair, you can take a wipe and just rub your scalp around with it. Alright? All that can happen with this. And this, after you use it, stick it in your fridge, and when you come back, every time you need it, open it out, take out one and use it wherever you want to.
तो कोई something to keep in mind जब हम apple cider vinegar selection कर रहे हैं तो कोई एक specific type का, because इतनी varieties हैं, इतने brands हैं.
I know Bragg. There's a company called Bragg which is the best in the whole world. And इसके नीचे there is एक थोड़ा सफेद वाला sedimentation. This is with mother लिखा हुआ. This is very, very potent stuff, you know. And you can make more and more vinegar if there is mother in your vinegar.
So I think एक unfiltered apple cider vinegar जो है वो एक
raw organic apple cider vinegar. It's fabulous. Yeah.
Fantastic. So अंबिका ये तो थे बहुत ही interesting tips and tricks with the apple cider vinegar. और अब आप हमें बताएंगी about the amazing virgin coconut oil.
Virgin coconut oil. I mean, इतना साल लोग ने सारा लोग पूरा दुनिया में everybody said coconut oil is not good for you. It is not, you know, your cholesterol levels go up. Everything is rubbish. Every single thing is rubbish. Abhi new findings, everybody's done enough experiments and research, and they've come up with the virgin coconut oil is one of the best things for you. And I found out, मैं तो बहुत recently I found out something which I want to talk to you about. But also, this is absolutely great. This is my virgin coconut oil. It's absolutely great हर दिन पीने के लिए, you know, and also to use it on to take out your makeup. You can just dab it on, go like that, and take it all off with your virgin coconut oil. You can put it in your hair, you can put it on your hands, dark elbows hai to dark elbows, knees. You can use your virgin coconut oil anywhere, सारा जगह पे आपके body में, अंदर बाहर सब कुछ. And this is actually दोनों चीज़ बाहर और अंदर के लिए है, you know. And recently, I mean, my friend called up and said, you know, अंबिका, मेरी माँ बहुत बीमार है, उसका Alzheimer's है, you know, dementia, Alzheimer's. She had Alzheimer's. And मैंने मेरी माँ को फ़ोन किया, and I said, Amma, what can we do? And she said, just ask him to give her 2 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil. I said, what is going to happen with virgin coconut oil? But I did enough research on the internet and I found out एक Dr. Mary Newport, उसका husband 54 years, he had terrible Alzheimer's. एक accountant था, 2 बच्चा लोग है, and you know, he couldn't even tie his shoelace, he couldn't even vacuum, he couldn't mow the lawn. एक दुकान में जाएगा तो गाड़ी में बैठ के कहीं और 3 घंटा दूसरा जगह पे जाता है. This is Alzheimer's. It's very sad. किसी के पास, I mean, if you know somebody, if you have been touched by Alzheimer's, सबको पता है, it's the worst thing that somebody can go through, you know. And when my friend said his mother was going through Alzheimer's, we did enough research and we found out that Mary Newport started giving her husband virgin coconut oil. And she was giving 7 spoons in the morning, 7 in the afternoon, 7 at night. And उसने बोला, उसका husband Steve ने बोला, The first day when he drank virgin coconut oil, इसका brain के अंदर एक light आ गया, you know, and the whole thing reversed. His Alzheimer's reverse हो गया, and he right now he does everything. He mows the lawn, he does everything, and it's just amazing that he does not forget anything. My friend's mother forgot her husband, forgot her son's name, everything, and today, after 2 months of taking virgin coconut oil, she remembers everything.
फैंटास्टिक। कौन ये सोच सकता था कि आपके किचन में पड़े हुए 2 हम्बल चीज़ें, एप्पल साइडर विनेगर एंड वर्जिन कोकोनट ऑयल, इतने पोटेंट हैं, इसमें इतने मैजिकल क्वालिटीज़ हैं जो इनसाइड आउट आपको
Yes, it's a wholesome, दोनों, it's a wholesome, both two very important wholesome products. It's got everything, it's magical, सबके पास होना चाहिए दोनों चीज़।
गाइस, आई थिंक दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन, एंड अंबिका आपने जो शेयर किया, आई थिंक बहुत सारे लोगोों को बहुत यूजफुल रहेगा।
This is the first. मैंने actually I also share it with my clients, and all my clients come back and tell me कितना फ़र्क है, you know, ये पीने के बाद।
Well,
It's very important for everybody to know that.
इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट, इतनी वाइटल इन्फॉर्मेशन अंबिका ने हमारे साथ शेयर की, विच विल होपफुली हेल्प अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, सो दैट मेक्स दिस एपिसोड रियली स्पेशल फॉर मी,
Very
अंबिका।
special. Yes, because it's also not just your beauty, it's your health as well. Yeah.
Thanks so much, Ambika, for sharing this with us.
Thank you.